Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel Aisna News. In today's video, we will share with you latest news.
New Jeans promoted as next BTS at the Min Hee Jin request. Furious Army recall and the headline on the March 7 All-5 member and Jay-Z New Jeans attend the first round questioning, and in the case against ADOR, the Seoul Central District Court is conducting its first round of the interrogation concerning the legal dispute between the NJZ and the ADOR over the group contractor schedules and stated the five-member Minij, Hani, Daniel A. Harin, and the Hayan attended the court session even though they were not obligated to appear in person. The members were seen wearing all black as they approaching the court building. BTS mentioned in court as the court section proceeded. It was known the group under hype and would be mentioned while this was not entirely surprising, and it injured army. The fandom of the BTS, the biggest group in the world, was mentioned in the court, and it did not sit well with the fan. And the frustration traced back to events surrounding Min Hee Jin emergency press conference last year following hype accusation that he engaged in the shamanic management, illegally consulting shamans about BTS member Military Rice. Hype claimed that the Mi Hee Jin discussed the matter with shamans, with one reportedly saying, "I wanted to send them BTS away. It's not like I won a gold medal." While Mi Hee Jin illegally responded, "I thought it would benefit me if they were not there." And ADOR about the Min Hee Jin request. ADOR has claimed that the new Jin was promoted as the next BTS at the Min Hee Jin request. New Jeans appeared in BTS music video before their debut, and whenever they released a new song, they promoted dance challenges with other hype artists. New Jeans were introduced as BTS little sister from the beginning and were promoted as the next BTS at the surfacing BTS at Min Hee Jin request. This was only the case in hype where another group popularity was used for the PR. And ADOR claimed that the New Jeans was promoted as the next BTS at the Min Hee Jin request, and New Jeans appeared in BTS music video before their debut, and whenever they released a new song, they promoted dance challenges with other hype artists. New Jeans was introduced as BTS Little, and army reaction following these revelations. BTS fans quickly took to X, formerly known as Twitter, to voice their outrage against the Min Hee Jin, accusing her of trying to undermine BTS for the benefit of their girl group. One fan wrote, "I remember during their debut day, every article about New Jeans was the next BTS, BTS little sister, BTS enlistment. No problem because Hype has New Jeans, the new pillar of Hype, and surfacing BTS. I remember during the debut day, every article about New Jeans is the next BTS, BTS little sister, but enlist no problem because Hype have New Jeans, the new pillar of the Hype." And another said the next of BTS can only be BTS member. And one post read, "Bringing this back again for the solo people," accompanied by a screenshot of the Min Hee Jin illegal controversy with a shaman. Another fan added, "These people were trying to end BTS while BTS members were helping promote their song. And this evil was trying to end BTS while BTS members were helping them promoting their song." And once Evan said, "And after all of his MH tried to get rid of BTS because she thought it would benefit her and her group. Disgusting." And after all of this, MHG tried to get rid of BTS because she thought it would benefit her and her group. Disgusting. And this case is part of the ongoing legal dispute between the ADOR and New Jeans over the validity of their executive contract. And the ADOR claims the contract is still in effect, argues that the group branding and the NGZ breaches contractual obligation. On the other hand, NGZ assert that the contract was lawfully terminated, allowing them to promote independently of the ADOR authority.
This video, like and subscribe my channel. Have a nice time. Goodbye.